So in question number 13 over here, it is given that a sum of money becomes 8 times of itself, right? So n times it is becoming, n over here is 8, so that makes it type 5 in 3 years. So this n times it is becoming in 3 years at compound interest. You have to find the rate of interest per annum. So in this type of questions, what we are going to use is we are going to use cube roots and square roots. So this depends on the question that why are we doing for cube root and square root. So you know that in the formula that we have, you use power of n, right? So if that is 3, that becomes your cube root, and if that is 2, n is 2, then you use square root formula, right? So we'll try to solve this particular question. Let's see what is being happening over here. So if we assume your principal value as 1 unit, let's assume it as 1 unit. You know that your amount is becoming 8 units, right? This is the process that you know, because it is given to you that the money is becoming 8 times of itself. So this 1 is becoming your 8. This is your principal value, this is your amount value, right? So you know from your formula, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 over N. If you assume this P as X rather than 1 over here, I'm just trying to demonstrate the formula also. This becomes your 8x. So 8x is equal to x into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power your 3, right? Because you're dealing with 3 years over here. So this x gets cancelled out over here. This is 8. This is 1 plus R by 100 raised to power 3. So if you take a cube root on both the sides, you're going to get, this is 8 is nothing but 2 cube, right? This is also power of 3 over here. You have to make sure that these powers remain same. So if you take a cube root, you're going to get 2 is equal to 1 plus R by 100. So this R by 100 is equal to 1. That gives you rate of interest as 100%, right? So this is a process that actually is happening. So instead of going for this, we'll try to minimize the process. This principal value is 1 unit over here, this amount value is 8 units over here, and this is after the final 3 years, right? So if you take a cube root, you get it for initial, that is your for first year, right? For first year some process must have happened, for second year something must have happened, and after your third year this final scenario has happened, right? So if you take the cube root, you're going to get this particular sort of scenario. This 1 is over here, this is 2 over here, right? So there's a difference, or there is an increment of plus 1 from this 1 to this 2 for the very first year. So the required rate is the increment of 1 over the initial value, this increment of 1 over the initial value of 1. So if you do this particular thing 1 by 1 into 100, you're going to get your answer in the percentage terms. So you get 100% is your answer. So you get 100% is your answer, right? So either if you go by this way or this way, you're getting same answer in both the cases, right?
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.